Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing a captivating 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house in the highly desired Shenstone Drive, Kingston 6 area. This home boasts panoramic views of both the city and the hills, providing a picturesque backdrop. Nestled in the cool hills, its central location offers convenience and tranquility. The property includes a self-contained 1-bedroom unit with a kitchen and living room, adding versatility. Enjoy the convenience of multiple storage areas, making organization a breeze. This is a unique opportunity to embrace comfort and elegance in a well sought after neighborhood. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 97.5 million or US $633.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.